Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve data internet problem on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, from here you have to scroll on the down to connection and sharing. Here you have to click on connection and sharing. Okay, when you click on connection and sharing, from here you have to scroll on the down to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. You have to click here. Okay, in this option, when you click here, from here you can see inside the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem also will be solved. Okay, suppose you want to solve the data internet, right? It has given here this will reset all network reset setting including Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth. So it will easily solve the data internet. Okay, because it has given all the networks. It has included all the networks. It says no only networks. It means network problem, hotspot problem, any network problem, but it will solve. Okay, what you need to do is that you just click on reset setting, and here you have to click on OK, and here the data problem, network problem will be solved. See, it has written here reset all network setting now. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo the actions. It means that it can take the some few seconds. Okay, like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, only that second. Okay, it may be take like that. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.